guys, it's a new day and we're going to visit a new fall.
Hanap na lang po ako ng
trying to negotiate a price. They're all asking for too high of a price according to Melody. Melody was going to get some change and the tour guide right over there in the purple. Just arrived at the falls. I guess it's going to be a long stairways down, right Mel? So I hope these falls will be even better than yesterday, than the other falls. Because I'd like to make vlog 2 or day 2 of a vlog better than the first day. It's a bitch look. So apparently you're pretty much always assigned a guide, like in any hike or whatever. I think it's like mandatory, but I also think it's kind of annoying. Somehow I feel pressured. I just want to be on my own and full freedom and don't want to have to follow someone or whatever. But at least it's probably someone who can handle snakes pretty well. Melody was just explaining to me why they pretty much always assign you a guide on these kind of hikes. So could you repeat it?
Yeah, sometimes it's slippery in the falls, and we actually need to know which stones we have to step in so that it would be safer.
Just for safety actually, yeah, right? Yeah, for safety. Which I respect. We arrived already at something where safety is needed. It's pretty steep stairs right here. The only thing about the guide thing is that they really want to take the lead. That's somehow kind of annoying for me. But I'm fine. It's having fun anyway. So really some downward rock climbing here until we reach the falls. For now I'm just going to focus on climbing down. The guide is waiting for me, so see you at the falls. What does that sign mean, Melody? It means that you're not allowed to wash your dishes in there. That's funny. So that was it for now for the Hulugan Falls. Time to go back. Melody has to go to work. So there we are back at the resort. Thank you very much for watching. I hope the waterfalls were as beautiful as they were for me. Thank you so much.